I think there's definitely a lot of optimism, but there's also so much liquidity out there. I mean, we've never seen the government dump so much cash on the economy. And then there is the anticipation that even more is to come. And what are people going to do? It's not like you're going out for dinner. So a lot of that money's gone into the stock market. We're seeing bubbles in asset prices all over the place, from housing to the stock market. I think there's an awful lot of enthusiasm. There's an awful lot of priced to perfection in there. And it seems any kind of bad news means you're going to get government support. So yay. Good news means the economy is getting stronger. So yay. It's kind of a Teflon market.
Well, Kevin, as someone who builds portfolios here domestically, what do you think's driven this market to all-time highs?
Well, I agree with Lenore. I mean, if we think about the pent-up demand and the enthusiasm for the American consumer, it's going to be something like we've probably not seen since World War II. The idea that we're excited to go to a restaurant or a movie theater is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, think about baseball games and cruises and travel. It's something that is just so pent up and so massive that it just will force the stock market to continue to go higher. I mean, our whole thesis, Lenore, is that Main Street fuels Wall Street, that the economy and the consumer fuels all of this. And to your point, just watching the expectation of this spending. I mean, even for me, I was joking about the supermarket and the gas station. And yes, I have a little bit of a sheltered life over the past year, but boy, I can't wait to go do some of those things. And I'm certain that the second half of this year, it's going to be meteoric.